if you want to grow fast on Amazon, you need to sell FBM. But how do you find FBM products to sell? And how do you make sure that you will actually get the buy box? Because if you are selling FBM, Amazon is not going to give you the advantage in winning the buy box. They are going to advantage FBA sellers, right? We all know this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you first how to actually find products that you can sell FBM, how to make sure that you can get the buy box doing FBM, and I'm going to give you some tips on some products that only FBM sellers can use, can sell most of the time, and then we are going to look at some Keepa product finder strategies to be able to source some FBM products, okay? So before we do, if you have a hard time sourcing, by the way, I have a free course in the description. It's 100% free. It's an ebook. It will tell you my sourcing strategies. 100% free. Once again, you can get it with the first link in the description. I also offer coaching and mentorship, so there's another link for the description if you want that as well. It's going to bring you to a page with a video that explains everything. And last thing, if you want to join the Discord server, link is in the description as well. My social media, right there. Perfect timing. Just popped up. You want to follow me on social media? I'm most active on Instagram. I'm posting some Instagram stuff, some Amazon stuff on TikTok as well. So yeah, follow me over there. So let's dive into the computer. So the first thing that you need to know is that if you want, and you don't need to see the page right now, you can see my beautiful face. If you want to find FBM products, like most of the time, products that sell super fast will actually have the buy box rotating to FBM. So for example, these Nike socks, okay, they sell 31,000 times a month, okay, the whole listing, not this specific variation. But an easy way to actually figure out if you can get the buy box doing FBM is by just looking at the Buybox Statistics, pretty much, okay? So to do this, I will scroll down with to the Keepa graph. By the way, if there's one tool that you need to get as an Amazon seller, it's Keepa, okay? Most important tool for your Amazon business. You click on the data tab, okay, the third tab right there, and you go to, so it will bring you to this specific page, the product detail page, okay? What you want to do is go to the next tab, the third tab as well, which is the Buybox Statistics tab, okay? So what this specific tab will tell you is how much, what percentage, like who is winning the buy box most of the time, okay? So it's going to tell you each seller how much of the buy box they get, okay? It's not a perfect metric, but it's as close as the truth as you can get. It's the best data that you can get as an Amazon seller, right? So if we look at the Buybox statistic on this product, we are going to see that, so quality goods supply, as 80, how much of the buy box? He got 21% of the buy box, okay? And we can see in this specific column right here that he is FBA, because the FBA column, he got a little mark on the FBA column. But the next thing that I will notice is that for the three next sellers, okay, the three sellers below this are not FBA sellers, okay? So the number 2, number 3, and number 4 seller on this specific listing are FBM seller, and so they are getting like 22% of the buy box just in between them. You can add below that, and by the way, this is for the last 30 days. So we know for a fact that for this product, the buy box is alternating in between FBA and FBM. Another thing that is telling of this is just, you know, if you look at the Keepa, you see spikes going up, spike going down, and you see this alternating all the time. It means like most of the time when you see this, it is the buy box alternating in between FBA and FBM, okay? Because FBM offers will be cheaper. So if we zoom in a little bit, we are going to be able to see the spikes a little bit better, and you will see that at the top of those spike, it's going to be whenever FBA has the buy box, and the bottom is when FBM has the buy box. And you are going to see this over and over again, as you can see. You can see that, by the way, right next to the price, you can see that the offer is FBA. If I go right there, you see that it's written FBM. And I'm pointing towards my screen like a dummy. You cannot see that, but you are able to see what I'm talking about, right? Just under the price, under buy box, it's telling you it's an FBM offer by Holiday Cheer Gift Guide. This one is by Blue Kicks, and it's an FBA offers, okay? So we are able to see that the buy box is alternating in between FBA and FBM by looking at this, okay? So as I said, first thing that you can look at, the buy box statistics, okay? Look at this column. If there's a little mark, It's FB, it's FBM, it's FBA. If there was no mark, it's FBM in this specific column, okay? Next thing, if you see you can just look at the buy box like this. If you see a lot of spikes going up and down, it's rotating the buy box in between FB and FBM. Next thing that you can do is looking at the data tab, you go to offer, and then you look at FBM offers, okay? So the FBM offers are gonna be the offers where there's no prime badge right next to the price, okay? So this offer is an FBA offer, okay? An FBA offer, but this offer right there is an FBM offer, okay? And we can see, if we look at it right here, we can see that he is actually selling, and it is selling decently fast, okay? Because the price is constantly going down. And so, by the way, do not trust this too much, okay? Like this number right there, the number sold right there. Do not trust it too much, because what you will notice is, you know, with this specific seller, the price was, his stock was at 10, it went down to 1, so maybe it's just like, you know, especially with FBA, you will see this, it's stock moving around, all that stuff from fulfillment center to fulfillment center, and so it will, like, Keepa will count this as a sale, it's not actually a sale, so do not trust the number, look at the graph, okay? If you look at the graph right here, you can see that this guy is selling because it's going down consistently, okay? He's an FBM offer, so if he's selling, he's getting the buy box, and so if he's selling FBM, you can sell FBM as well. You will probably need a repricer, but you can do it as well, okay? So this is how you figure out if you can actually get the buy box while selling FBA. Okay, FBM, I'm sorry. This is how you would figure it out. You need to remember, if a product is selling fast enough, most of the time the buy box will rotate. It doesn't matter what you do, okay? The next thing, as I said, I'm going to give you a few tips, and I talked a little bit about it in yesterday's video, but there are some products that will have that. You can go with products that sell a little bit slower, but products that only FBM sellers can sell. And there's two types of products that are just like this, okay? First type of products is going to be meltable products, okay? So, if you want to know if a product is meltable, first off, if you have IP alert, if you have the IP alert extension, you will have this small ice cream right next to the name of the brand that will tell you that the product is meltable, okay? It will show here, and it will show, let me open this right here. It will show right here as well, it should show, yeah, here we go. It will show when you are looking at products on Amazon, at products results as well. It will show right there, you see, right next to the product, you see the little meltable icon, okay? So that's it. So basically, what are meltable products? So meltable products are products that, like chocolate, jelly, anything that would melt, and that will not necessarily, like, that could melt easily. There's a whole list of meltable products that you can find that Amazon sells every single year, okay? During the summer, you cannot send those products to FBA warehouses, right? And so because of that, there's no FBA offers for those products during the summertime. So, and the summertime for Amazon, I think it starts around March or April, I'm not sure, okay? So, whenever that time of the year comes around, go get those products and sell them FBM, because you are going to be able to make a lot of money with them FBM, okay? FBM is not just for Q4. Meltable season is a great time to do FBM because there's going to be a ton of opportunity for you to make money, okay? So if you sold some FBM products last year, check them again, and like you're probably going to be able to sell them again, okay? But these products are great because there's not going to be no FBA competition, and so you know that the buy box will be 100% FBM, and it's a great way to make money. Next, the second type of products that you can look at is going to be Asmat product, okay? And there's no way to see it. Usually it will show DG right there. It looks like it's not doing it anymore on CLM, but sometimes it does. And so usually, like, dangerous good, Asmat is anything that is like airspray, sometimes shampoo, perfume, all that stuff that you cannot ship by air because these are dangerous goods, right? So here's an example, okay? You can easily see that it's an FBM, an Asmat product, because everybody that's selling it is doing it FBM. You can sell products, Asmat product FBA, but you need to be approved inside the program, and most of the time, even if you are approved in the program, most people do not sell Asmat FBA. Just because you can sell them FBM, it's way easier. The shipping is way cheaper. And by the way, the video is not over, but like if you watch until here, quick tip, this product is probably going to be profitable. Okay, you can probably and I do not know if it's selling fast, by the way, but like if you are able to sell it at $23.98, you can probably get one of these for less than $6, but let's just call it $6. You can get the bundle for $12. Okay, and it is going to be FBM, and it is probably going to be in anywhere between $4 to $6 to ship. So $4 will be 36%, 6 would be 20%. So yeah, just look at it. This could be a profitable product. I don't know, but you can probably make it profitable. I think it's on eCosmetic for 5 something. So if you want to do FBM, look at it. Make sure that the product is selling. I have no idea. I really have no idea, but you can probably make money with this product. Okay, so let's move to the last thing that I wanted to talk about in today's video, and it's how to actually find potential FBM products. Okay, and to do this, we are going to use the Keepa product finder, which is a great tool if you want to find leads to sell on Amazon. So let's just go on keepa.com. And by the way, I have a whole video on the Keepa product finder, not a whole video, but a video where I show you how you can source with it, a few strategies. But yeah, so to access the Keepa product finder, you go to Keepa, you go on data, and you click right there on product finder or wherever you want. It will actually bring you to this page as well. So what we're going to do, and we are just going to do a simple search. Okay, we are not going to make it complicated. We are going to look. We are going to do Command F to find FBM in the fields and the parameter, and here we go. We have the live offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find products that have more than 3 FBM. Here we go, more than 3 FBM offers. Okay, if products have more than 3 FBM offers, it probably means that you can sell the products doing FBM. So we are going to look at this right now. So here we go. We have a couple. We have a Stanley Cup. Yeah, you could sell Stanley Cup FBM most of the time. Let's just look at it. Let's just take this product as example. And because I sold someone, I was in the US FBM. But Amazon is on the listing. Okay, so next thing that we can do, we can modify the filters. Let's do this. Advanced filters. Here we go. We are going to change this. We are going to remove products where Amazon is in stock. So we are going to do Amazon right there. And we are going to... Let me try to find the right field for you guys. Here we go, 90 days out of stock percentage. I want Amazon out of stock more than 70% of the time. Let's just call it 70% of the time. So I need Amazon out of stock on those products more than 70% of the time. Let's see what we get. Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint Blue Kazoo. Okay, we have more than 3 FBM offers on this specific listing. Let's see if we can actually sell this product on Amazon. And it's selling at 58 cents. What the fuck? It's probably FBM, yeah, it's at 58 cents, and people add the shipping on top. Let me check. Let's check in the offer. No, actually, Amazon is selling it for 58 cents. This is crazy. So if it's the case, you can it's probably a product that you can buy on Amazon and flip right here. So let's say you buy it, and free lead for you guys, I guess. Let's say you buy it at 58 cents, you sell it at $7.49 on Amazon, you sell it FBA at $7.49, like this guy is doing. 450% return on investment if you're able to grab this product at 58 cents. So, yeah, free lead for you guys, I guess. It's a great lead, actually. I'm not sure how accurate this is, but if it's the case, it's an amazing lead, actually. If you're able to sell it without IP complaints and all that stuff. But no, let's look at and for this lead, you will not be able to see the Buybox statistics because the Buybox is suppressed. So in that case, what you would need to do is look at the offer and see if people selling FBM are actually selling. Now, in this case, it looks like this guy is not selling, but we can look at historical offers, and it looks like this guy was selling FBM and he was actually selling. If you look in the past, he had 5 units and he sold the 5 units it looks like in 1 month he sold 5 units, so you can definitely sell this product FBM. So yeah, I guess it's a free lead for you guys. You probably want to sell it FBA though, because yeah, FBA at 7 something, great money. cheat code. I do not know, like, it looks too good to be true. But I would investigate this lead if I were you. Just rewind the video and get the ace in. Let me know in the comments, or just let me know in the Discord server if you ever try to sell this product and it's working. Let me know in the comment. Let me know in the Discord server in private if you do not want to tell me, if you do not want to leave a comment in this video. But yeah, if you watch this video until the end, leave I don't know, leave an emoji, like choose one. I don't know which one you want. Leave it in the comments so I know that you watch it until the end. And you know what? Leave a heart emoji in the comments if you are actually going to look for this lead, so I know we don't need to tell other people that haven't watched until this video. A purple heart, because we are at war. Okay, Drake lyrics. If you know, you know. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. You know, subscribe. It's always nice to see new subscribers on the channel. So yeah, subscribe, like, watch. By the way, if you want to learn how much money, if you want to be able to estimate how much money you need to spend in shipping for FBM products, watch this video and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.